Hey guys, welcome to the Car Audio Centre's new channel. What we're going to be doing on this channel is just unboxing videos. So if you've got any specific items that you want to see unboxed, if we have them in stock, just drop a comment down below and we can try and make a video for you. So today we're going to be unboxing the FH-S820DAB from Pioneer, and we're going to show you exactly what you're going to get in the box when you order yours. Alright, so let's get it open and see what's inside. So first you'll always get your Pioneer ISO cable and your standard Pioneer microphone. It comes with a little attachment and also a sticky pad if you're sticking it to a window or a plastic panel. You will also get Pioneer manuals, installation guide, Pioneer usually tape stereo removal keys to the top, which you can remove if you ever need to take the stereo back out of a vehicle. Always receive on these units is a cage and a trim on the front. So that's the look of the unit. It does have a plastic protection cover just to protect the screen, which will be removed during installation. I'll just talk you through the connections that you'll see on the back. So starting from the left hand side here, you'll see the DAB antenna connection. Just below that you've got the FM connection. You've got the 16-pin Pioneer ISO. Then on this side we have the Pioneer microphone input and the steering control adapter input. And then you've also got 3 different sets of pre-outs, one for subwoofer, rear and front. So here's just a quick shot of everything you'll expect to get in the box. If you do have any requests or any questions about these units, please drop us a comment down below and we'll get back to you.